Hello everyone, here's Evita. Good afternoon. We're awaiting a thunderstorm and I'd like to show you some of the roses that are in bloom right now. Very quick before it starts raining. This is the Lavender Dream. There are actually two bushes over here. And it's full of blossoms, guys. I just hope they'll survive the thunderstorm. But I'm really happy that we'll have some rain if the wind doesn't blow it away. May was a very dry month. There are two Elena tea hybrid roses up there. The cream tall roses, and in front is the orange Westerland. So it's starting to rain, guys. This rose bush over here is the Ferdinand Bechar. And I just love the form of the flowers. This is actually one of my favorite rose in the garden, but I forgot the name. Anyway, I'll check that out. The most beautiful Eden rose, or Eden rose. This one is the Carina, which has the most beautiful scent. And this one is the New Dawn. It's a rose climber. And this rose over here is the Nostalgie, and it has so many flowers, guys, loaded. I actually have two rose bushes here, and they're both full of blooms. Another Eden rose that I have in the front garden. And if you were following my channel, I really cut this hard 2 years ago so I can fit in the obelisk. But it's coming back. It's full of buds and blooms. I have two roses here. The yellow one, very bright, very nice yellow color, is a bush that I got as a present from a friend. So I'm not really sure about the name. I'm not even sure if I know the name. I'll check my other videos, my earlier videos, but because I'm not really sure. On the left is the Paul Gauguin, that is named after the famous Impressionist painter. And I have to deadhead. Most of the blooms are now done and will be dropping all the petals very soon. But there are a lot of buds that will be opening up very soon. I just love this rose because each and every flower is a masterpiece. When it's just about to open, it's a different color combination. And then when it's just opened, it's a different thing. And now it's almost wilting and it turns into this more pinkish white or cream color, and then it drops all the blooms. So that's what I'm talking about. The colors of each and every rose is different. It's just like a painting. Everything is a masterpiece, I would say. And this beautiful, beautiful rose over here. Look at that color. This one is the Duft Wolke, literally translating to fragrant cloud or cloud of fragrance.